In this video I'll show you how to remove the radio of your Mitsubishi Outlander. First thing first, you need to remove those knobs from the climate control, and this will unveil two Phillips screws under the left and right knob. Take your screwdriver and remove them. This way the whole panel will come loose and you'll be able to lift it out of the way. Now to remove the radio, you have to unscrew those 4 Phillips screws, 2 on each side. Be careful to not lose them. Here I don't really care since, well, I'm at the scrapyard and I don't plan reinstalling any radio on this car. But be careful to not lose them if you're gonna reinstall them. Now you all have to do is to slide this radio out with the bracket and disconnect the connectors on the back. Take your flathead screwdriver and unplug the first one, remove the antenna just by pulling it, and this is it. Now if you want to put another radio using the same bracket, all you have to do is to remove those 2 Phillips screws on each side and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching, and please give a like and a thumbs up if this was helpful.